Hello, typewriter enthusiasts. Today we are going to be greeted with my sleeping dog Thor and my sleeping cat Barney. They are going to be in the presence of us cleaning type slugs. So, we are going to clean the typeface on this typewriter here. Now, I've used rubbing alcohol for a while, and I use that as kind of a starting. Actually, starting would be, I've done this side on this side already, so you can see the difference between the dirty and the clean here. Now let me put a fresh white rag under this so you guys can see the gunk that comes from doing this. Alright, come on back, guys. There we go. Alright, so I'm just going to wipe over the typeface with a little rubbing alcohol just to kind of soak it for the start here. This is this is not a chemical cleaning or anything. This is just getting something to start the cleaning process here, start the healing process. But rubbing alcohol is just a starting agent. That one I think I did already from the other side. Well, alright. We'll let that kind of soak for a minute there. And what I've got is my old toothbrush. And I've got a couple of rags on each side here. But this is, I paint and I draw and all that too. And so I've got this low odor thinner. Daler Rowney makes it. And it's in the Walmart art department. So it's low odor thinner. So you can do this in your house, and if you were in your garage or something, I suppose it would be different. I sold my house, so I'm in a basement at the moment. But I fill that into that low odor thinner into a little cup like this. I keep it to the side of the typewriter, and I'll dip my toothbrush into that. I'll get that on there. Now, these typewriter bars, the type bars themselves, they're durable, they're sturdy. We're not going at it with a harsh stroke sideways or anything. We're just going up and down in little circles like you're brushing your teeth. And that's what it's like. It's like brushing your teeth. And I'm freeing up now. Little pieces are starting to come off. You can see the dried ink and paper that's been in all these letters for 55 years. What is this? This is a 58. I get this on here, doing my little circles. I'm in a bad angle for this, but you really want to use a good amount of this on here too. Don't be stingy. Get a good wet brush going, because that's all going to soak into that stuff, that ink. And that's, again, the art department thinner. It's made for paint, art, paint, ink. It's all kind of the same game there. Now there's still a lot in there, If you don't have to go into every letter or number with a pin, that would be great. Because if you got to get in there with a pin to pick stuff out, that's when it gets to be excruciating if you got to do every single one. So I want to use as much of this as I can and let that soak in there good. And fingers crossed, I guess, is the whole thing when it comes down to it in the end. But okay, I've used quite a bit on there for the initial run. Now, I've got my brass wire brush. Brass is soft. Again, we're not going harsh with steel here. But now you're going to scrub. And unlike brushing your teeth, we're not going to do small circles with this one. Now we're not with a toothbrush anymore. So this is where up and down, up and down, up and down. You can't go sideways. You'll bend a type bar, or you'll screw something up, but you can follow the grain of the wood, or whatever expression works for you. Follow the grain of the type bars. So up and down, they curve at the ends like that. So baby them, but scrub them up and down. Get that gunpowder ink paper crap out of those letters like that. I hope you're getting a good view of this, because this is filthy. Now, you don't have to be violent or anything. You're cleaning your typewriter, so there. That's pretty good. I mean, I don't have great light here where I'm sitting, but I can tell the difference. And that's what this video is really about, is showing you how to do it and showing you the difference. So before I get this video too long, so then I'm going to get my toothbrush back now anyway, and I'm going to give it a little dip in here, and we're going to rinse this off now, in essence, from its cleaning with the brass brush. Use a little more of this. I'm going to get this stuff rinsed off here now, so you can take a look and see the difference in the cleaning versus the dirty. That's about as good as it's going to get for keeping the video short. We'll go with that for now. And then I'm just going to take, pardon me, this rag and just kind of wipe off the faces, and we'll get a look at her. Come on out of there, you. Let's see what we got here. Well, we have piece of felt that doesn't want to cooperate under here, but for purposes of, well, there's something else going on with that. I'll have to look at that. Get in there. Alright, well, let's look at these type bars. There you go. I mean, yeah, there's still a little ink in there, but it's not bad. And had I had more time at it, I'd have gotten all that out. So, you know, if I have to get a pin to it and pick something out of something, that's inevitable. But there you go, guys. Hope you have a great day and take good care. Bye-bye.